guys, today is 888, which means triple 8. Ang sabi nila, 30 daw to. Pero ngayon, andito po kami ngayon sa akin.
Magandang mansyon!
Kung saan kami nakakasaya sa iyakan. Ito po, si Bert.
Pangit na pangit ng pasok ng bot pag tulog ng simula. Miss, my mama na Magnifico!
Say, oh! And this is Girl Suka. Yan yung mukha suka.
Meet the rugby boy of the Georgia group. There. Can you see?
Ikaw nga mag-host.
Ay, okay. Oh, there's the rugby boy of the group. Therefore, hey, boy, say something. See? His face is like the casino. It's so red. As it is. And here's another. Mr. Mime. Mime. See? It's just the brush on that is missing, but it's still Mr. Mime. Mr. Mime. Ay, Mime. And here's Godoy. Pwede ba ito i-zoom? Yan pala, pwede naman pala. Napalo nilapit-lapit ko pa nga. Oh, there's Godoy. Hey, Godoy, say something.